When you've had like a stressful day at school or whatever, you can come here and just chill out and not have to worry about stuff.
I'd be sat at home in bed probably. Coming here is like so I can get out the house and do something.
It brings people together mostly. Like in here, people just come around. It's a nice spot to just relax, to just play games, have fun, mess around.
That open space, and it helps the youth just feel like they can come in whenever they want.
Like if things are going off at home, I can relate to stuff like that. It'd be easier for me to give advice to them. Helping kids if they're stressed or whatever, and it's easier for us to talk to them because we are similar ages.
Some of the young people here, when they first joined, they wouldn't talk. And they said that they've built new friendships, their confidence has grown.
Yeah, you can just be yourself, yeah.
We've been able to bring socially isolated young people, give them a community, and even met in person. Everything they want to do, we'll try and make happen.
First of all, when I came here, it was a new place for me, so I was so excited about learning new things and having some more skills. It grows my confidence and it made me feel relaxed. For the first time, I didn't feel strange.
When I was younger, I didn't even know what I'm doing. I didn't even know where to start. And then youth worker started to help me to get opportunities, connect people, work, jobs, LGBT, Asian community, all that type of thing. So that way they can see their own community.
Rwy'n hoffi siarad Cymraeg yn fan hyn oherwydd dwi'n gallu siarad I pobl dwi ddim yn gweld fel arfer oherwydd dwi'n mynd gwersi gyda gwahanol pobl sy'n dod I fan hyn.
Dwi'n mwynhau siarad Cymraeg hier yn fan hyn mwy na siarad Cymraeg yn yr ysgol oherwydd mae cwmni bach ohono ni.
Engaging with the community, in the community, on their terms. In places like parks, on the street, you can kind of engage with young people where they're at. Often you get a lot more open conversations and you can get through some issues.
It's good because obviously it gives kids that are on the streets an opportunity to actually reach out further into the world and see there's obviously more opportunities than just doing bad stuff. But then obviously when you've got opportunities like this, and they're actually good opportunities, you should take them with both hands.